Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable graphics acceleration or hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Hardware acceleration or graphics acceleration refers to the process by which an application will offload certain computing tasks onto specialized hardware components within the system, enabling greater efficiency than is possible in software running on a general-purpose CPU alone. Open Google Chrome and click on the three dots menu icon in the top corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and click on System on the sidebar. Find the option Use Graphics Acceleration when available and toggle the switch to turn it on or off. Click on Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the changes. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.